A very happy morning to all. Today, this class we are going to discuss about already in the first session itself we have completed introduction to this lesson. What is the lesson? Lesson 1, Introduction to Microeconomics. Already we come across what is meant by economics over and what is the difference between micro and macro over. So many things we have finished. What is meant by the meaning of the term economics over, scope and subject matter of economics over, and now we just move to the topic 4 definitions of economics. In economics, in your first lesson, we are having 4 important definitions. These 4 important definitions are given by 4 important economists. The person who studied economics and they have given their own ideas and opinion, that person we can call it as an economist. Yeah, 4 important economists. What are the 4 important definition? Means first one, wealth definition, welfare definition, scarcity definition and growth definition. What are the 4 important definition? Wealth definition given by Adam Smith, welfare definition given by Marshall, and scarcity definition given by Lionel Robin, growth definition given by Paul A. Samuelson. These are the 4 important definition. Clear? And we have to mug up this 4 definition. Not mug up, you have to understand and then only you have to read. And we have to read the 4 definition together with the economist name also. Clear? Adam Smith wealth, Alfred Marshall welfare, scarcity by Lionel Robin, growth definition by Samuelson. This way you have to read. Clear? First we see the definition one by one in a detailed way. What is the definition and what is the opinion and what is the main important features and what are the main important criticism. Each and everything, coin has a 2 sides, same like that. Each and everything it has an opposite. We are having different opinion also. Sometimes it will be applicable and sometimes it is also have its own demerits and criticism also. First one, Adam Smith. Adam Smith, he is considered as the father of economics. Father of economics, who is the person? Adam Smith, A-D-A-M-S-M-I-T-H. Adam Smith, he is considered as the father of economics. Very, very important part A, 1 mark question. Not only part A, 1 mark question. Economics is a subject you are reading now. You have to know, each and everyone have to know who is known as father of economics. Adam Smith is known as father of economics. Clear? And here, Adam Smith is the main important person who has given wealth definition to economics. Wealth means he just given importance only to possessing of different types of wealth. Wealth, you know, property, land, flat, each and everything comes, jewels or cash, each and everything, FD, RD, whatever it may be. So he just give importance only to wealth. Clear? And what is the main important book published by Adam Smith means here An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes and Wealth of Nation. What is the book name? An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes and Wealth of Nation. This Adam Smith book, it was published in which year means 1776. It is very, very important question. Clear? So what is the definition is given means economics is considered as science of wealth. Economics is considered as a science of wealth from the viewpoint of Adam Smith. And another important thing is also given 2 important concepts given by Adam Smith. First one, invisible hand, and second one, division of labor. Invisible hand means each and every one person who is living the economy, for their food they have to work. Clear? They are not dependent upon another. They are independent in nature. That is the main and exact meaning for invisible hand. And another important thing, they have to produce each and everything and they have to contribute and to increase GDP, gross domestic product. Each and every one contribution is very important. That is the main important idea and opinion given by Adam Smith under the topic invisible hand. Next one, division of labor. From the name itself we have the meaning division of labor. We can divide and do the work and we can finish the work within a very short span of time. It's for here for the concept to explain division of labor. Part B carried 2 marks. It is very important. Sometimes they will ask in part C carry 3 marks also. Division of labor means it is the best example what gents shirt producing industry. One person or one department they can producing the body part, and another person or another department they can produce stitching of buttons, another one they can prepare one produce only collars, and another one hand part only. Each and everything they produce now, and another important department each and everything they just assemble and packaging and rate it all activities undertaken. So division of labor is a concept introduced by Dash. 1 mark question they are asking now Adam Smith. Dividing the work, finish the work within very short span of time. Clear? And wait, next one, the publications of Adam Smith. What is the main important book introduced now? Adam Smith main important book, Wealth of Nation, and which year it was introduced? 1776. These are all the main important ideas and opinion by Adam Smith, and it is also having certain important criticism. He just concentrate only on wealth and he just ignored welfare. That is the first important thing. And another important thing, what is the thing means? He just give only material wealth. What are the things? RDR, FDR, property or flat, each and everything he concentrate. Human welfare, wealth, he is given importance. It is heavily and vehemently criticized. First important thing. And second important thing, human welfare he just ignored. That is the second important criticism. Third important criticism, dismal science means he just each and everyone they have to possess wealth. They just ignore about entire society and citizen rules, each and everything we just ignore. So what will happen? This teaches selfishness. So we can call it as economics as dismal science. So these 3 points, Adam Smith's wealth definition is heavily criticized.